I have 26 formulas in my model, and I want a single formula to show all formulas in a single column. And this is Excel Magic Trick 1800. Now I have this model here, and I have 26 different formulas, including text formulas, logical formulas, counting formulas, all sorts of formulas. And I want a single formula to just list every single one. And since I'm going to list them over here instead of right by the formula, I also want the cell address. So I need B18 colon and then the formula. Now I want to build the formula based on a single cell, and then we'll expand it to all the cells. Now, since Excel 2013, we've had formula text. If I select this single cell, close parentheses, and enter, it shows us the formula. Now, I do want B17 address in front of it, so F2. And after the equal sign, we're going to use the address function. Now, address requires the row number. For us, that will be 17. Column number 2. And then we need to tell it what type of cell reference. Now, luckily, there's a function that will point to a cell and tell us what row number it is. So we'll point there, close parentheses. We could highlight this in F9. And of course, it delivers a 17, which is what address needs. Control Z, comma, and then similarly, column. We just point it there, comma. Now we need to tell it relative, so we put a 4. We close off address. And then I need a colon and a space, so we join it, double quotes, colon, space, and double quotes, and the join operator. Now Control Enter, and that is looking beautiful. Now F2, I'm going to double click B17, highlight the whole model. I could click reference, Control C, double click Control V, double click Control V. And when I hit Enter, we get exactly what we want. Cell reference formula, exactly 26 times. But we get a bunch of NA errors too. Our goal, though, of course, is to roll this up into a single column and at the same time get rid of the errors. And we're very happy we have Microsoft 365 Excel because we can do this with one function, TOCOL. That will roll this all up into a column. And if we use the second argument, comma, we can ignore errors. Now, this formula will only generate the formula result and errors, so 2 is perfect. Type 2, close parentheses, and when I hit Enter, we get exactly what we want. From a model of 26 formulas into a single column. And if I come over and delete, we'll watch what happens right here. Delete. Gone. Control Z, it comes back. If I add a new formula here, when I hit Enter, look right here, Enter. And sure enough, there it is. That is a bit of Microsoft 365 Excel magic, Excel 2013 magic, and then, of course, these have been around forever. All right, if you like that video, be sure to click that thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe, because there's always lots more videos to come from Excel is Fun. All right, we'll see you next video.